Hello everyone. Today, I'm presenting a very special and rare timepiece, a Zenith watch adapted for a visually impaired person. It's a small Zenith, but with a big purpose, helping someone who is blind tell the time in their daily life. Now, let's take a look at some fascinating facts about Zenith's history. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. In 1865, in the small Swiss town of Horological, a 22-year-old visionary named Georges Favre-Jacot founded the company that would become Zenith. Favre-Jacot had a revolutionary idea to unite every craft of watchmaking under one roof, from case making to movement assembly, creating one of the first true watch manufacturers. In the early years, Zenith focused on producing high-precision pocket watches built for everyday use, scientific timing, and observatory accuracy. The name Zenith was soon adopted, symbolizing the highest point in the sky and in craftsmanship. At the 1900 Paris Universal Exhibition, Zenith earned the gold medal, marking the excellence of its pocket watches. During the early 20th century, Zenith pocket watches became renowned for their precision. They won numerous chronometry contests and were trusted by explorers, naval officers, and scientists alike. One of the most iconic examples is the Zenith pocket watch owned by Mahatma Gandhi, a simple timepiece that carried profound personal meaning and reflected the brand's timeless values. As wristwatches rose to prominence, Zenith continued to evolve, but its pocket watches remain a cornerstone of the brand's heritage, symbols of precision and elegance born in Horological. Zenith, more than a watch. A legacy connecting past, precision, and innovation.